morning everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Kakaberry. If you love sunrise and if you love oceans, I think you may watch this video to finish. I'm at the Fairmont Maldive Sirru Fen Fushi and I want you to see how amazing the villa, which is sunrise villa. And let's have a look. How does it look like? I hope you enjoy! Now let's have a look. This is a sunrise villa. Oh my god, it's very spacious. As you can see, they have amazing bed. Oh my god, very comfortable. And then they have a indoor bathroom. This thing is for gentlemen, I believe, and the other one for ladies because I saw the back there. It's completely amazing for a couple or even a family to stay, and you can have a rain shower. On the other side there is a toilet there. And now let's have a look. There is an outdoor bathroom. Wow,
Oh my god!
you like it?
Yeah! Why is it not a bathtub? It is. This looks nice.
Okay, let's go. We go outside.
Let's go and one more. Oh my god.
And let's go outside. There is a swimming pool inside our villa, and there is a hammock. Ooh, that's amazing. And let's go outside. Oh, this is to wash your feet. And as you can see, the hammock, you can just chill, read the book, and enjoy the nature and the ocean breeze. And if you go outside, few steps from our villa, you can actually go snorkeling. In fact, that a resident turtle actually live this area. Oh wait, I found a two big seashell. Ah, that is amazing. Quite huge though. Now let's go back to the villa again. So you can have a coffee and then I already took the drink, the coffee, and the half. Okay. This one is Max snack. What is that? Wow, this is camera. So you can have underwater camera. And I already took the milk. This is what they have. And they have a wine fridge. Wow, looks yummy. Oh, I need more coffee. Oh, they have Nespresso. Ooh, so delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.